Okay. Mhm. My name is CJ Winston ML. You can call me Prototype. This is another episode, I think episode 10 or 11. I think 10, right? Okay. Anyway, last time we started methods, and I hope that now you have practiced enough to know how to create a method and you can a main method and you can identify a main method by the public, the access modifier, sorry, the void, which is the data type, the name, this signature parameter, and the signature boundary. So with this, you have a main method. And in other, for us to know that a class can be run, we should see um, this close greater than sign. Yeah, that means the class can be run. And whenever you run the file, anything inside the signature boundary, which is an opening and closing parenthesis, anything that's between this particular parenthesis of the main shall be run. Okay, so when you right click and click on this run file, we should see that this say be printed here. Okay, so this is the output. Remember I told you from a previous tutorial that anything that's going to be done by the PC, whether building or blah 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 or outputting, everything shall be put over here in the output window. Okay, and this output window can be cleared. I think it's Control L. Yeah, Control L to clear, and from here you can run it again, and it's more like if click the right, if I click in run file or inside this output. And if you have minimized your outputs, you can always click here and click on this to maximize it and it shall remain. Okay, but is that it will reduce the size of your screen, but never mind. If you want to remove it, you can remove, but let's leave it here for the sake of our eyes. Okay, and today we'll be learning about um, something we call now. Today I want us to study about this system.out.print. Okay, I want us to study this code. Okay, and from here we shall build to um, variables. System.out.print line. Ln means line, and an argument is passed, which is a string, and it is closed with this. All it means is that let this algorithm be printed out. Full stop. I can't add anything to it. So whenever you write this command, it means that whatever be passed here, if it is 4, let 4 be printed here out. Do you understand? Whereas if it is 4, let 4 be printed. So this command is for what? Printing things. Okay, printing should I say printing numbers or words to our output screen. So this is more like outputting, basic output in Java. Basic output in Java. Okay, so this is system.out.what print line. Now you can see I did these two stuff. First of all, I did 4 like this. I printed 4 like this, and 4 was printed. And later, when I put the 4 within 2 quotation marks, okay, um, it was still printed as 4. Cool. Let me make you understand by doing this and doing that and coming here and cleaning this one and putting this one here for and running this and running that. Hurry up. Okay, so we can see that this 4 is printed out and this 4 is printed out. Well, for whatever we don't know as beginners, know this. This stands for where's. It stands for like writing in English for. Writing for in English. When you write for in your composition, like writing for, like 4 people came. This like 4 people came, right? But in math, when you write 4, that means this 4 can be used to do calculations, like let's say 4 plus 3, 4 plus 5, plus 4 plus 10, 4 plus anything. Okay, so this is representing a number 4, and this is representing a word 4, but not like 4, not this 4. Let's say in composition you've written 4. English you've written 4, like 4 in composition. You don't use one in math. You don't use this one in any mathematical operation. Okay, but you can use this one in mathematical operation because it is not in a double quotation mark. So that's the difference between that 4 and this 4. I hope you understand. I hope you get me. Okay, so now you've understood that in order for us to write words or make composition, we have to put whatever we're writing inside what? Double quotation marks. So let's do this. Let's write a myself using Java, and from the myself um, we shall build different stuff from it. Okay, we shall build different stuff from myself. Okay, like we shall build methods to either write myself better, and I don't write myself that well, so I think I'll do the basic stuff myself. Okay, so let's start with myself. Okay, I think I'll have to leave the tutorial here, and the next video will start with myself, and from the myself we shall build the understanding in Java. Thank you. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. I'm CJ, baby.